Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit employee information in QuickBooks. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is to access the employee list. Now from your QuickBooks dashboard, you're just going to go to Payroll and then select Employees to view your list. Next step is to select the employee to edit. So click on the name of the employee whose information you want to update. Step 3 is to make changes. So inside their profile, you can edit details like name, address, contact information, pay rates, tax details, and payment method. The next step is to save your changes. Now after updating the necessary fields, just click Save to apply the changes. And that's pretty much it. So a pro tip is if you update tax or banking information, you want to make sure you double check it before the next payroll run to avoid payment delays. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.